Hello friends, welcome to another video from RK Biology. Today we are going to talk about structure of flower. Structure of flower. So the flowers basically have four parts: sepal, petal, stamens and carpel. Flowers have mainly four parts: that is sepal, petal, stamen and carpel. For better understanding the structure of flower, we have made a simple diagram. This is the complete structure of flower, in which mainly four parts. This is sepal and group of sepals to forms calyx. It is usually green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. This part is called petals and group of petals forms corolla. The corolla are usually brightly colored due to the presence of pigments like anthocyanin, anthoxanthin. So it is brightly colourful due to the presence of pigments. And this is anther. The place where anthers are jointed are called connective. The thread-like structure are filament. Anther, connective and filaments are the part of stamen. Stamens are male reproductive part of the flower, and group of stamens forms androecium. Androecium, and it is the male reproductive part of the flower. This part is stigma. This is style, and this swollen portion is ovary, and inside the ovary ovules are present. Ovules. Stigma, style, ovary and ovules are the part of carpel or pistil. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. Carpel or pistil is the female reproductive part of the flowers, and group of carpels to forms gynoecium. And it is the female reproductive part of the flower. This swelling portion on which floral parts are arranged is called thalamus or receptacle. Thalamus, or you can say receptacle. This part is called pedicel, on which flowers are attached to the stem. So this is the complete structure of flower, in which mainly four parts: sepal, petal, stamens and carpels, in which sepals and petals are non-essential part because sepals and petals are called non-essential part. Why they are called non-essential parts? Because they are not participate in fertilization. They are not participating in fertilization. That is why they are called non-essential part. But the function of sepals is protection. This sepals provides protection to the corolla, and the function of corolla is attraction. This is brightly colored full structure. That is why the pollinators are attracts on the corolla. So the function of corolla is attraction. This is the male reproductive part of the flower, which is called stamen, and stamen consists of anther, connective and filament. Anther, connective, filament are the part of stamen, and stamens are male reproductive part of the flower. This is stigma, this is style, and swollen portion is ovary. Inside the ovary, ovules are present. The stigma, style, ovary and ovules are the part of carpel or pistil group of carpel to forms gynoecium, and gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower. If all the floral parts, sepal, petal, stamens and carpel, all the floral parts are present, if all the floral parts calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are present. If all the floral parts like calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are present, then it is called complete flower. If any one of the floral parts absent, if any one of the floral parts becomes absent, then it is called incomplete flower. If any one of the floral parts becomes absent, then it is called incomplete flower.